New snapshots of iOS 14 leaked on social media yesterday have uncovered that Apple could be carrying more customization choices to its OS. Explicitly, the Wallpaper settings menu is experiencing a change with the expansion of a Collections tab. Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech updates. And join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings in the tech world. Yesterday, the latest snapshots of iOS 14 leaked on social media and reveal that now Apple could bring more customization options, particularly for a home screen menu option, with the addition of the Collection tab. The Collections tab includes a library of self-clicked photographs that can be utilized as backdrops, something that has been badly missed on iOS. Likewise, the snapshot makes reference to another home screen appearance choice, which will permit clients to change the presence of just the home screen. It is like the watch face settings found on the Apple Watch application. In addition, iOS 13 backdrops will likewise be kept in a different tab, and a third section, Classic Stripes, is additionally found in the snapshots. The new sorted-out format ought to be a much-needed development to the extent opportunity to pick new wallpapers is concerned. According to sources, Apple is currently working on movable widgets features and could also be introduced to the iPhone and iPad. However, the new visual change is the basic thing as of now, but in the future, you can also get a movable widget feature on your iPhone and iPad. In light of that, it makes sense that clients can set a background photo for the lock screen and a level or shadowed form on the home screen, as it would now be able to have a few gadgets and subtleties can get confounding overlaid on a standard photograph. The new iPad Pro is an unobtrusive redesign from the past model. Presently, it's become exposed that there's a security include in the new iPad Pro, which is all new to Apple tablets. The principal modifications are the presentation of numerous cameras on the back which, together with the LiDAR scanner nearby, could be transformational for augmented reality applications. It's a strong security include which physically separates the microphones on the PC when the lid is locked. In this way, regardless of whether a hacker figured out how to get into your PC some way or another and was monitoring to you, locking the lid would stop their little game. Splendid, yet how might you copy such a device on something like a tablet which, clearly, doesn't have a closable lid? It turns out you can do it when you have a perfect case connected. According to a document, reveals in an Apple platform security, the new form is the only tablet that incorporates features presented on recent Mac PCs. All Mac portables with the Apple T2 security chip feature a hardware disconnect that ensures the microphone is disabled whenever the lid is closed. On the 13-inch MacBook Pro and MacBook Air computers with the T2 chip, and on the 15-inch MacBook Pro portables from 2019 or later, this disconnect is implemented in hardware alone. The disconnect prevents any software even with root or kernel privileges in macOS, and even the software on the T2 chip from engaging the microphone when the lid is closed. The camera is not disconnected in hardware because its field of view is completely obstructed with the lid closed. iPad models beginning in 2020 also feature the hardware microphone disconnect. When an MFI-compliant case, including those sold by Apple, is attached to the iPad and closed, the microphone is disconnected in hardware, preventing microphone audio data being made available to any software even with root or kernel privileges in iPadOS, or in case the firmware is compromised. This is a significant element and includes noteworthy peace of mind. So, there's just one 2020 iPad, and that's the latest iPad Pro. MFI, made for iPhone, iPad, iPod shows products that have been authorized by Apple. So these were some big updates from some of the well-known tech giants. For more such updates, stay tuned with Tech Shouters.